Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of New Life Furniture. It's your boy Kyle and I'm back with another find. Man, we just can't stop. These are going on the classifieds as fast as we can pick them up. So again, it's doable out there. Make sure you guys are following me, subscribe, learn how to do this. Easy money, that's what everyone wants to do. So same as always, this one's already painted white. So this is kind of gonna be that farmhouse rustic chic like we want. It's already half done. So all I'm gonna do is sand the bottom, do our stain maneuver. We're gonna really sand the top, give it that chocolate stain, and this will probably be a short video as usual. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so we've already got it sanded down with our accent spots, right? Just hitting it hard with that 60 grit, getting even the undercoat while we're here too. Give that a little sand. Now we're gonna start sanding our legs here. A little bit easier if you take them off, if you're able to. If it's something as simple as that, just take them off. It'll make it easier to move everything around, put it all back together later. So let's go ahead. We'll start sanding these down and get that ready for prep. Okay, y'all, we picked up a new stain. This is a chocolate Saman stain, so we'll see how this goes. Very expensive stuff. Ooh, yeah, let's get some color on that. Ooh, that is chocolatey. Love it. Yep, that'll be good. That'll be good. So let's go ahead, grab our cloth, dip it on there. Okay, so we got our cloth. Let's take some of this stain and let's put it on here and see what happens. Oh. Shit. Maybe isn't what I want. Oh no. That's not what I like. It's like red. Let's see. So, not good, not what we want. As you can see, it looks chocolatey, but when it goes on, it's got a little bit of like a red hue to it. So it's making the white a little bit more red. I don't know if you guys can pick it up on the camera. Come on, camera, get your life together. There you go. See, it's a little bit of the red. We don't want red, we want that chocolate brown. So I don't know, we got to return this and fix it out. I don't know what's happening. All right, y'all, so we just got finished sanding the deck down. This is a good sand job. Some of them you'll notice, obviously, older pieces of furniture, maybe less quality, will have a lot thinner top coat. And that's gonna make it quicker and faster to just sand down. And obviously, you really wanna expose and get that wood showing. It'll really take your stain. I mean, name of the game is all about time. It's how fast you can sand this down good enough to get that stain in there. If you can get a nice open wood pores like this, I mean, it's gonna look showroom quality. But on some of these furnitures that are really high end, if you don't have the proper equipment like a belt sander, and maybe you're just using hand, or maybe you're using an orbital, you're gonna either have to put more time into it, which is loss of profit, or try to just open up as much as you can to get the look that at least you're looking for.